Rebecca here for another video. Last time we talked about tube history, and today we're going to continue on the same system, the Sensation 64. We've got Kevin here that's going to be talking about high voltage troubleshooting tips. Kevin, take it away.
Thanks, Rebecca. Today, we're going to talk about some troubleshooting tips for your Siemens CT scanner. One great product that is offered is a set of HV dummy plugs. What these plugs can do for you is help you isolate the problem in your generator circuit. This is a great tool to help reduce your downtime and order the correct part the first time. A great way to use these HV dummy plugs is to isolate the problem in your circuit. On this system here, we have been recording tube arcs that we've seen in our tube log for 4 days now. To isolate this problem, I'm going to insert these dummy plugs into the HV tank of this system. What this will do is the HV dummy plugs will replicate the tube filament so it thinks that the tube is still installed. Then we will use the service platform to go ahead and help diagnose whether it is the tube assembly that is causing the problem or the generator assembly. The generator assembly consists of several parts. It could either be the HV tank, the entire E-box, or a separate component in the E-box. This is where a tool like HV dummy plugs comes in handy. I'm going to order the right part the first time instead of ordering all of them once and replacing them all. This helps your site reduce its downtime and save on costs.
Thank you for that information, Kevin. Next time, we're going to be talking about installation kits and how it can save you some valuable time. Like us on Facebook and subscribe to our page. As always, see you next time.